Have you come across these strange, hyper-realistic clips on your feed lately? A lone Yeti wandering deep into the jungle, setting up camp, staring into the camera, and vlogging. They look cinematic, mysterious, almost spiritual. And here's the wild part. They're made entirely with AI. No cameras, no actors, no filming crew. These are the Yeti vlogs, and they're going insanely viral right now. Creators are using a powerful tool called VEO3, a text-to-video AI that turns simple prompts into stunning cinematic scenes. And yes, it's 100% free to try. Let me show you proof. Here's a YouTube channel called The World According to AI. Just 73 videos, and it already has over 222,000 subscribers. And yes, it's monetized, which means it's earning real money from simple, faceless AI content. Look at this. One of their videos, uploaded just 10 days ago, has crossed 990,000 views. And that's not even unusual. Almost every video on the channel is going viral. Now take a look at Instagram. An account called TechnoMaCake has only 32 posts, but has already built a following of over 93,000. So here's the big question. Do you want to create these kinds of viral videos? Do you want to turn them into views, subscribers, and real income? If yes, you're in the right place. Because in this video, I'll walk you step by step through the exact process of creating your own viral Yeti vlogs using VEO3. Let's get started. To create our Yeti vlog scenes, we first need to generate strong visual prompts because VEO3 builds everything from those. So let's start from the beginning. Open your browser, here we're using Google Chrome, and launch ChatGPT. Now we'll give it a very specific command. We're going to ask it to analyze the content style of the Bigfoot vlog by pasting in the URL of the YouTube channel we just saw earlier, The World According to AI. After that, we'll give ChatGPT detailed instructions. Our character is a big Yeti, filming himself with a chest-mounted GoPro, and the tone should be humorous, like a chill explorer who also loves making fun of himself. Then, we'll ask it to generate a series of vlog-style visual prompts paired with matching Yeti dialogue for each scene. And don't worry, if you want to use the exact same instructions, just copy them from this video's description below. Once everything's typed in, hit enter and let ChatGPT get to work. You'll see it immediately start breaking things down. First, it defines the look of our Yeti: species, height, fur color, eye color, even the GoPro strapped to his chest. Then it builds a brief character profile, like his personality traits and voice style, which in our case is part calm, part funny, part wilderness philosopher. Now comes the fun part. ChatGPT starts generating our vlog-style prompts one by one, each with a full scene description and a separate line for Yeti's dialogue. In our case, it's created 6 different vlog prompts. But here's a common mistake most people make. If you look closely, Vlog 1 has full character details, height, fur, chest-mounted GoPro, etc. But in Vlog 2, it simply says, the same Yeti. And the same goes for Vlog 3, 4, and so on. Now here's the problem. VEO3 does not recognize vague references. So we can't rely on same Yeti because the AI might generate a completely different look in the next scene. To fix this, we'll give ChatGPT one more instruction, include full character details in each prompt. Paste it in, press enter, and let it regenerate. Now check this out. Every prompt now includes our Yeti's full character description. That means each scene will stay consistent and your final video will look professional and smooth from start to finish. So now we've got detailed visuals, matching dialogue, and a Yeti with real personality. We're ready to take these prompts into VEO3 and start building the visuals. All right, so we've got our first 6 Yeti vlog prompts ready. But to really make this video engaging, more dynamic, and, let's be honest, more fun, we need to go beyond just 6 clips. So we head back to ChatGPT and give it another command, asking for 6 more funny and creative vlog-style prompts, just like the first ones. Same Yeti, same GoPro, same wilderness adventure, just more wild ideas, more dialogue, and more reasons to keep your viewers watching. And here it is. ChatGPT has generated 6 brand new Yeti vlogs, bringing our total to 12, each one with its own unique scene, a full description, and a hilarious Yeti monologue. This is more than enough to build a full video that feels complete, cinematic, and binge-worthy. All right, now that our prompts are ready, it's time to bring them to life using VEO3. Let's begin by opening a new browser tab. In the search bar, type Google AI Pro. From the search results, click on Google AI Pro and Ultra, Gemini. A new window will open. Now scroll down a little, and here you'll see the subscription plans. Right in the center, you'll notice the Google AI Pro plan, but here's the best part. It comes with a free 1-month trial, so you can try it out without spending a single penny. This plan gives you access to powerful tools, including text-to-video generation via Gemini app, as well as other tools like Flow, Whisk, and much more. To get started, simply click the button that says, Get Started. And just like that, you're now ready to begin creating your own cinematic Yeti vlogs using the powerful tools inside Google's AI Pro suite. Now that we've activated our Google AI Pro access, it's time to move on to the actual video generation using Gemini. Start by opening a new tab, type Gemini, and hit enter. Click on the first link, Google Gemini. A new window will load, and right at the top left, you'll see the word Gemini. And just below that, you'll notice the current model version we're using, 2.5 Flash. Click the little drop-down arrow, and you'll see a few different versions. 2.5 Flash, 2.5 Pro, and personalization. For now, we'll stick to 2.5 Flash because it's fast, efficient, and works perfectly with VEO 3. Now look at the bottom of the chat window. You'll find options like Canvas, Deep Search, and the one we need, Video. Click on Video. Gemini is now fully ready to convert text into visuals. Next, let's switch back to our ChatGPT tab where we already generated our Yeti vlog prompts. Select the first vlog prompt, copy it, and then paste it into the Gemini video chat box. Press enter. Gemini begins generating your video. This usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. And just like that, boom, our first Yeti vlog video is ready. Let's play it.
Here we see the elusive Yeti in his natural habitat. Oh wait, that's just me.
That's incredible. The Yeti, the jungle surroundings, even the camera angle, it all looks so real. And that humorous narration, spot on. Now if you scroll down a bit, you'll see a small message. You can generate 2 more videos today. Yes, Gemini allows only 3 video generations per day, but don't worry. Later in this video, I'll show you another app to bypass this limit and keep creating as many videos as you want. So stick around. Let's move on. Copy the second prompt, paste it in the chat box, and click Submit. And here it is. Our second vlog is ready. The quality is amazing, but wait, the Yeti isn't saying anything. We pasted the dialogue with the prompt, so what happened? Relax. This can happen sometimes with Gemini. If we encounter such issue, you can simply copy and paste the same prompt and generate again, then maybe this issue is resolved. Now let's try the third prompt. Copy, paste, submit. Gemini is generating it now. And here we are, third vlog complete. The character's consistency remains solid, the environment is still beautiful, but again, no dialogue. That's okay. Sometimes Gemini skips the voice output, but this isn't something to stress about. Now scroll down again, and this time you'll see a new message. You've reached your video generation limit for today. Yep, we've used up all 3 of our free videos. But don't worry, you're not stuck. We've got another app ready to keep you going. Now we'll show you our next app to generate more videos. It's called Flow. It also works with VEO 3 and lets you keep creating without hitting any daily limits, without breaking any rules, and still without paying a single P. So now that we've hit our daily limit inside Gemini, it's time to unlock unlimited power. Let's move on to our next tool, an app called Flow, built by Google Labs. Start by opening a new tab and typing Flow AI. From the search results, click on Flow Google Labs. Once it loads, you'll see the Flow interface. Clean, simple, and incredibly powerful. Click on Create with Flow. Let's check it out. After a short loading screen, you'll land on the projects window. Here you'll find any past projects you've created, but for now let's click on New Project. A fresh prompt window opens. Take a look at the top right corner. This is where your account details are displayed. Click it and you'll see your AI credits balance. In our case, we've got 740 AI credits ready to use. These are what we'll spend to generate videos. Now back to the center. Click on Text to Video and you'll see more options appear. Frames to Video and Ingredients to Video. Though that last one is only for Google AI Ultra subscribers. We're sticking with Text to Video. On the right side of the input box, click the settings icon. Here you can choose how many outputs you want per prompt, 1, 2, 3, or 4. We'll select 4 outputs for this first test. Next, under Model, you'll see several options. VEO 2, Fast VEO 3, Fast Text to Video. VEO 2, Quality VEO 3, Quality. By default, it selects VEO 2, Fast. But we're going to switch it to VEO 3, Fast, which uses 20 AI credits per video. Now we're all set. Let's head back to our ChatGPT tab, copy our first vlog prompt, and paste it into Flow's prompt box. Click Submit. And now, watch this. 4 different videos are being generated from a single prompt. After a short wait, boom, our videos are ready. Let's check them out.
Hey! Here we see in his natural hat.
Each one is different, but all of them capture the Yeti perfectly. The setting, the action, the humor, it's all there. And the quality, just awesome. Now let's test something. Switch the model to VEO 3, Quality, and set outputs per prompt to 1. Paste the same first prompt again and hit Submit. Once it's ready, you'll see the result. Let's check them out.
Here we see the elusive Yeti in his natural habitat. Oh wait, that's just me.
Each one is different, but all of them capture the Yeti perfectly. The setting, the action, the humor, it's all there. And the quality, just awesome. And yep, the video looks amazing. Slightly more refined in details, but honestly, both fast and quality models look great. Next, let's copy the second vlog prompt, change the model back to VEO 3, fast, and hit submit. Our second Yeti vlog is generated.
I call this my morning exfoliation ritual. All natural, zero chemicals, just hypothermia and regret.
Clean and consistent. Now onto the third prompt, copy, paste, submit. A few moments later, video is ready, and this time we'll show you how to download the video. Look at the top right corner of the video card. You'll see a download icon. Click it, and you'll get 3 download options. Animated GIF, 270p, original size, 720p, upscaled, 1080p. We'll go with original size, 720p. Click, and the video is downloaded to your PC or laptop. Now repeat the process, copy the fourth prompt, paste, and submit. And just like that, your next vlog is ready. We'll continue this same process for all the remaining vlog prompts. Copy, paste, generate, download. And by the end of it, you'll have a full collection of cinematic AI-generated Yeti vlogs ready to be uploaded, monetized, and shared with the world. Now that all our Yeti vlog clips have been generated using VEO 3, it's time to bring the magic together. Let's open up CapCut, our go-to free editing software. Click New Project and a clean editing window will open. Now select all the Yeti video clips we just created and drag them into the media panel. You'll notice they're all mixed up. No worries, we'll sort them. Right-click inside the media panel, click Sort, then choose By Name, and finally, select A to Z. Perfect. Now all the clips are in the correct sequence, exactly how our Yeti vlogs were planned. Select all of them again, then drag and drop into the timeline below. Now let's make it flow. Click on the Transitions tab, and you'll see a wide variety of options. Search by name if you want something specific. Let's try Fade Out or Blur. Click and drag your chosen transition between each clip to smoothen the flow and give your vlog a cinematic touch. Once your transitions are set, head over to Filters. Here you can choose a color tone or mood, whether you want something warm, vintage, or cool and cinematic. Apply the filter that matches the vibe of your vlog. Next, go to Effects. Want to add camera shake, a soft blur, some light flares, or cinematic flash? Browse the visual effects library and sprinkle in what enhances your story without overdoing it. Once your timeline feels complete, click Export. The export settings window will pop up. Here's what we recommend. Resolution, 1080p. Watermark, off export. Location, set it to desktop or wherever you prefer, then click Export. And just like that, CapCut begins stitching your entire cinematic Yeti vlog together. Within moments, your full video will be rendered, saved, and ready to upload to your YouTube channel or Instagram account. From AI-generated vlogs to professional edits, you now have a video that's ready to go viral.